This 2020 Forest River Vibe 29BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleeps 9, DVD player, Slideout, TV, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, external shower, microwave, awning, LP detector, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Forest River Vibe 29BH is 7,258 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.